A very good morning to class 12 students. I hope you are well, safe and secure. Now, till now we practice treatment of goodwill. We understand the concept of treatment of goodwill. Now today we will practice some of the most important questions we are normally come for the board examination. Now these questions are of 3 to 4 marks. Now depend upon what they ask in question, but normally these type of questions very frequently comes in board examination. So please understand carefully because we are practicing some of the most important question for the board purpose. Okay, here I take a question regarding treatment of goodwill. So please understand them. This is a question for practice. Note down the question, and first when you note down the question, please understand it carefully. What is given the question and what is not given? Because in treatment of goodwill, we need to find out there are different cases are there. When how much the new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash, how much he brings as capital. Next, how much the old partner withdraw. What are the goodwill old partner's goodwill is given the question or not? It called when the goodwill appear in the books or not. So next is if the new partner unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash, then what will be the treatment? And whether the firm goodwill is not given the question. In also case, we call it hidden goodwill. So we need to ask, we need to understand that what type of question it is. Question में क्या चीज given है और क्या चीज missing है. What need to be what we need to find. So here is the question. They say that A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. On 1st April 2019, they take C into partnership for 1/5 share. C acquire his share from A and B in the ratio of 2:1. Value of goodwill determined rupees 24,000. Means when C admitted the value of goodwill of the firm is 24,000. C brings 50,000 as his capital. C कितना लाया कैश में 50,000, but doesn't bring the goodwill in cash. C 50,000 capital लेके आया, लेकिन वो अपनी goodwill को कैश में लेके नहीं आया. तो listen, here the question says that the new partner unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash. तो क्वेश्चन हमें समझ में आ गया. हमें क्या पता लगाना है? बिकॉज इस क्वेश्चन में क्लियरली मेंशन है सी अपनी गुडविल को कैश में लेके नहीं आया. सी डजंट ब्रिंग हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल इन कैश. नाउ हाउ विल डू इट? प्लीज नोट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. यू नीड टू पास जर्नल एंट्रीज. You need to pass journal entries. The question says you need to pass journal entries. Okay. Now, how will solve it? You need to pass journal entries. So for this purpose, you need to understand those who have certain doubts in it. मैं इसको explain करता हूँ तो आप please understand carefully. They say two partners are here, A and B. His A, his B. When C enter the business, C business में आया, he gets 1/5 share. Now इसको ये 1/5 कहाँ से मिला? Because they sacrifices. Is mentioned question. They sacrifices. A and B both sacrifices. Now how much A sacrifices? They are sacrificing the ratio 2:1, and their old ratio is 3:1. Is given the question. Their old ratio is 3:1, and their sacrifices in the ratio 2:1. तो C gets 1/5. C को 1/5 मिला. Now question है when C enter the business, उसके एक हाथ में कैपिटल है 50,000 रुपए की, पर दूसरा हाथ जो है वो खाली है, नथिंग इज हियर. वो गुडविल को कैश में लेके नहीं आया. जब वो बिजनेस में आया उसके एक हाथ में तो 50,000 रुपए. ओके, इसे भाई आई ब्रिंग 50,000 रुपीज एज एग्रीड, लेकिन मैं गुडविल लेके नहीं आया, वो गुडविल कैश में लेके नहीं आया, तो फर्म छोड़ देगी इसको. ए एंड बी व्हाट सेज है भाई वी आर सैक्रिफाइसिंग, हम दोनों सैक्रिफाइस कर रहे हैं, एंड यू आर एंटरिंग द बिजनेस बिकॉज ऑफ आवर कॉस्ट, बिकॉज वी आर सैक्रिफाइसिंग, तो यू नीड टू कंपनसेट अस. तो भाई वो बोल रहा है कि मैं तो गुडविल कैश में लेके नहीं आया. तो बाकी जो पार्टनर बोलेंगे सिंपली से भाई ठीक है, यू डजंट ब्रिंग गुडविल इन कैश बट यू नीड टू ब्रिंग इट, या हम आपकी करंट अकाउंट से काट लेंगे. मैं यू हैव टू पे थ्रू योर करंट अकाउंट. इज दैट क्लियर? तो वी नीड टू ओपन अ करंट अकाउंट इन दिस केस बिकॉज सी डजंट ब्रिंग हिज गुडविल इन कैश. नाउ व्हाट इज द एंट्री? Sacrifice ratio question में given है हमें, old ratio is given, तो there are very less calculations in that part. So first find out entry. You need to place debit, credit, and we are right ledger folio. Here we write LF, debit in rupees, credit in rupees, journal entry in the books of firm which is ABC. Okay, here first when the date when C enter the partnership, we write here first April 2019 is the date when C entered the business. The first entry is, find the first entry, how much new partner brings. So we write here bank account debit to C's capital account. Now, you know that we also have to write bank account debit to C's capital to premium. But here, understand them, C, नया partner जो है, he does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. Okay? So we only write cash में firm के पास क्या है? Only 50,000 rupees. So we write bank account debit to C's capital 50,000, 50,000. This procedure being new partner brings his share of capital in cash. Being new partner brings his share of capital in cash. On the same date, we pass the entry. We say C's current account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Now, ये है क्या? Goodwill. What is this? If you say, क्या? He has to pay goodwill. वो अपनी goodwill को cash में लेके नहीं आया, but he need to pay the goodwill. उसे goodwill pay करना पड़ेगा. Is that clear? Now, how much? The whole firm goodwill is given the question. अगर आपने चेक किया होगा तो पूरी firm की goodwill question में given है, which is 24,000. This is a working note. Whole firm goodwill is 24,000. What is the new partner share in that? Is 1/5. So find out. Whole firm में उस नए पार्टनर का goodwill कितना का share कितना है? 4,800. If you divide this into 4,800, it means that C need to bring 4,800. So 2,400, because why is it 24,000? 24,000 is the whole firm goodwill. पूरे firm की goodwill कितनी है? 24,000. And 1/5 of 24,000 is 4,800. तो C को 4,800 rupees लेके आना है. Okay, वो cash में लेके नहीं आया. His share of goodwill. So what we do? What the firm says, भाई we can cut through current account. हम अभी current account से काट लेंगे. But or you need to bring through current account. So we write here 4,800. Now their sacrifice ratio is given the question. Check. Is 2:1. So divide 1,400 into sacrificing ratio is coming 3,600 and 1,200. If you divide 1,400 in the ratio of 2:1, it's coming 3,200 and 1,600. Being, please write the narration, being C share of, being the share of C's goodwill, being share of C's goodwill credited to sacrificing partner capital account, not old. You have to write sacrificing partner capital account because goodwill is distributed not to old partner. It distributed to sacrificing partner. The partner who sacrificed, he only gets a share of goodwill, or he only gets a new partner share of goodwill. Is that clear? All the questions clear? Okay, note down the answer. Okay, next we move to next part. Okay, we are taking the question from past year board papers, even from NCERT also. Okay, the question is, need to note down question. Is also given the TS Greva also is question number 28. Simple question. So right, question number 28. Question is, it's a good question in terms of that. Okay, let's say Anshul and Parul are partners. Question is, Anshul and Parul are partners. Okay, please note down question. Anshul and Parul are partners. Anshul and Parul are partners. Are partners. Write the question very frequently so that you can able to understand very frequently. Anshul and Parul are partners. Sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Sharing, you have to write sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, next question says that they admit Payal as a partner. They admit Payal. They admit Payal as a partner. Payal as a partner. Now, for how much here? Payal as a partner for 1/4 share. Listen, for 1/4 share. They admit Payal as a partner for 1/4 share in profits. 1/4 share in profits. Is it clear? So Anshul and Parul are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. Okay, they admit Payal as a partner for 1/4 share in profits. Is it clear? Next is that Payal brings 5 lakh. Payal brings rupees 5 lakh as her capital. As her capital. Payal कितनी capital लेके आई है? Payal brings rupees 5 lakh as a capital and her share of goodwill by check. And her share of goodwill by check. Goodwill by check. Okay, is it clear now? Now the profit, they say that it was agreed that goodwill is valued at 3-year purchase of average profit in last 4 years. So note down the question. It is valued that. So listen question carefully. They say Anshul and Parul are partners sharing profits and loss in the ratio 3:2. They admit Payal as a partner for 1/4 share in profits. Payal brings 5 lakh as her capital and her share of goodwill by check. Okay, it was agreed to value goodwill at 3 years purchase of average profit of last 4 years. The profit for last 4 years are given as follows. Okay, in 2015-16 is given 4 lakh. In 16-17 is given 5 lakh. In 2017-18 it's given rupees 6 lakh. In 2018-19 it's given rupees 7 lakh. Is it clear? And the information is given closing stock for the year ended 31st-3/18. Okay, means here 31st-3/18 was overvalued by rupees 50,000. Means closing stock for the year 17-18 was overvalued by, आपने इसको चार्ज कर लिया 50,000 ज़्यादा. Actually, if the suppose the value of closing stock is 1 lakh, ठीक है, is 1 lakh, ठीक है, but you charge 1,50,000, तो आपका इसका मतलब प्रॉफिट में गड़बड़ हुई है. We already did this type of questions earlier when I teach you the calculation of goodwill in that portion. So here the closing stock for the year ended 31st March 18 was overvalued by rupees 50,000. There one more information is given. There one more adjustment we say is given. The second part is, they say that in this mentioned question, second question is rupees 1 lakh should be charged annually to cover management costs. Rupees 1 lakh should be charged. 1 lakh should be charged to cover management cost. To cover management cost. Okay, now hope you clear that. To cover management cost. Rupees 1 lakh should be charged to cover management cost. Management. You need to pass journal entry. Question says that pass necessary journal entries on Payal admission. Need to pass journal entries. Pass journal entries at the time of Payal admission. At the time of Payal admission. Okay, the question is simple, but you need to calculate goodwill first. So here all the portions are coming. The calculation of goodwill also. We need to find the total firm goodwill. On the basis of that, we can find the Payal's goodwill. How much she brings her share of goodwill in check. Is it clear? So first, the important portion is need to calculate goodwill. So how we calculate goodwill? I hope you all know that. How to calculate goodwill? So start solving the question. And I am solving here. Then check whether your answer is correct or not. Whether you calculate goodwill correctly. To say that, we write here 2015-16. There are 4 years are given. I can write here 2015-16, 2016-17, 2017-18 and 2019-18-19. The 5 years given. This one is first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Oh, this is 5 years given. 2015-16, 16-17, 17-18, 18-18. So profit is given for the last 4 years. Okay. 2015-16, they say profit of 4 lakh rupees is here. Profit of rupees 4 lakh is here. In 2016-17, the profit of rupees 5 lakh is here. Okay, in 17-18, the profit of rupees 6 lakh is here. And in 17-18, the profit of rupees 7 lakh is here. I hope it's clear. You all know that. It's given the question. These are the profits. Okay, the first question they say that is mention the adjustment. Rupees 1 lakh should be charged annually to cover management cost. 1 lakh rupees charge करने to cover management cost. So we have to subtract it. This management cost हमें minus करना पड़ेगा. 1 lakh should be subtracted to cover the management cost. I hope this question is clear. हमें management cost, ठीक है, management cost हमें pay करना था, जो हम pay करना भूल गए हैं, which is will be 1 lakh. That means when we have to pay management cost, our profit will be decreases. In the second point, they say that it's also mentioned here. First point, closing stock for the year ended 31st March 2018 was overvalued by 50,000. ओके, आपने 17-18 में 2017-18 में आपने प्रॉफिट्स को, आपने क्लोजिंग स्टॉक को ओवर वैल्यू कर दिया, ज्यादा दिखा दिया. तो व्हेन यू शो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, ठीक है, ओवर वैल्यू, इट मींस आपने प्रॉफिट को बढ़ा रखा है. तो ठीक करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? क्लोजिंग स्टॉक कम करना पड़ेगा. वी नीड टू, ओवर वैल्यू मींस हमने बढ़ा दिया है. तो इन ऑर्डर टू मेंटेन, हमें ठीक करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी नीड टू कट द क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. हमें क्लोजिंग स्टॉक को कम करना पड़ेगा. ओके, इफ वी डिक्रीज द क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, our profit also decreases. So in 2017-18, we have to write minus 50,000 because we have to decrease our closing stock. Now 2017-18 का that's a closing stock. It means 18-19 का क्या है वो? Opening. Because the closing stock always take place. The effect of closing stock will always take place to the next year also, because it's a closing for 2017-18 but opening for 18-19. जो 17-18 के लिए क्लोजिंग है वो 18-19 के लिए क्या है? ओपनिंग होगा. इज इट क्लियर? तो आपने क्लोजिंग स्टॉक यहां कम किया है, तो इस मींस जब क्लोजिंग स्टॉक कम हुआ है, इट मींस ओपनिंग भी कम होगा. ओके, तो ये व्हेन यू इंक्रीज द ओपनिंग स्टॉक, तो हमें ओपनिंग स्टॉक, जब हमने क्लोजिंग स्टॉक को कम किया है यहां पर, तो इट मींस दैट वी हैव टू डिक्रीज अवर ओपनिंग स्टॉक आल्सो. तो व्हेन वी डिक्रीज द ओपनिंग स्टॉक, जब हमें अपने ओपनिंग स्टॉक को, तो हमारा प्रॉफिट बढ़ेगा. Because here, if you say that, check the question again. They mentioned that closing stock was overvalued. यहाँ closing stock overvalue किया था, तो हमने closing stock कम कर दिया. Similarly, opening stock भी तो overvalue हुआ होगा, तो उसको भी कम करना पड़ेगा. When we decrease the opening stock, यानी खर्चा कम हो रहा है हमारा. When you ठीक है, जब खर्चा कम होगा तो profit भी increases. तो here we write 50,000 rupees increases. Okay, now find the actual profit. The actual profit of 15-16 is 3 lakh. Is 6 lakh, sorry, we need to decrease, is 4 lakh for 16-17. Okay, subtract 6 lakh minus 1 lakh. Okay, minus 50,000, so is coming 4 lakh 50,000. Maybe add it. 4 lakh 50,000 and 7 lakh minus 1 lakh plus 50,000 is coming 6 lakh 50,000. This is a profit of 4 years is given. I hope it's clear. Is the important part. Opening and closing is a closing for 17-18. जो 17-18 के लिए जो ठीक है 17-18 के लिए क्लोजिंग होगा, वो 18-19 के लिए ओपनिंग होगा. इज इट क्लियर? हमने क्लोजिंग स्टॉक को मेजर कम किया है. हमने क्लोजिंग स्टॉक को, ठीक है, वी मेजर ओवर वैल्यू, हमने ओवर वैल्यू किया, हमें कम करना पड़ेगा. सिमिलरली जब हमने क्लोजिंग स्टॉक को कम किया तो हमें ओपनिंग भी कम करना पड़ेगा. जब हमने क्लोजिंग को कम करेंगे तो आवर प्रॉफिट विल डिक्रीजेस. Similarly, जब हम ओपनिंग स्टॉक को कम करेंगे, our profit will increases. I hope this question clear. हमने पहले काफी क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस किए हैं इसके. Now to find the average profit now. How can you find average profit? Add all this. 3 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 4 lakh 50,000 plus 6 lakh 50,000 divide by 4. And goodwill say 3-year purchase is mentioned question. Goodwill says is 3-year purchase. So it's coming, if you 3, 7, 1150, 750, ठीक है, it's coming, if we multiply by 3, it's coming 13,50,000 divide by 4. Okay, so here share, if you calculate all these things, coming 13,50,000. Check again, and the share of the total firm goodwill is coming 13,50,000. the goodwill of the firm is 13,50,000. Now, what is the new partner share in that? Who is the new partner in this? Pal is the new partner and his share is 1/4. So, Pal share is, your Pal should bring, Pal कितना कैश में लाएगी और चेक के थ्रू लाइए 13,50,000 divide by 4. Now divide it. This is a Pal should bring. Pal share is 1/4 is 3,37,500. 3,37,500. So that's the important part here. How we calculate goodwill. I hope you can pass the entry now. Note down this one in case you have any problem. So Pal should bring 13,50,000. His share is 1/4. So it means Pal को कितना लाना है? 3,37,500 का चेक लेके आना है. Okay, as mentioned in the question, Pal is bringing 3,37,500 by check. Now, can I rub this? Okay, first sentence, simple question में Pal is bringing capital as well as goodwill. In case to first sentence, we have to write. Now check, is there any old goodwill is given the question? No. The first sentence, we write cash account debit to Pal's capital account. Pal's capital account to premium for goodwill. To premium for goodwill. Now, how much Pal is bringing capital? Capital as a capital is 5 lakh rupees. Goodwill, she need to bring 3,37,500. Total cash is bringing 8,37,500. I hope this part is clear. Being new partner brings his share of capital and goodwill in cash. Next sentence, this premium is to be distributed among whom? ये PM किस पे बढ़ेगा? Okay, this PM is to be distributed. No, it's not old partners. It say we have to write sacrificing partner. The partner who sacrifices. Okay, the entry will be premium for goodwill account debit. Premium for goodwill account debit to, tell me who is the old partner? The old partners are Anshul and Parul. So we write here to Anshul's capital account and to Parul's capital account. We have to write Anshul's capital account and to Parul's capital account. Now divide this 3,37,500 in sacrificing ratio. The sacrificing ratios mentioned in the question. They sacrifices. Okay. In the old ratio 3:2 only because nothing is mentioned about the old ratio is sacrifice ratio. Divide this 3,37,500 into sacrificing ratio which is 3:2 is coming 2,25,000 0 10 100,000. Okay, 202500 and 1 lakh 1,35,000. Sorry, it's coming like this 1,35,000. Being PM for goodwill is distributed among sacrificing partner. Okay, or you can also write being Pal share of goodwill distributed among sacrificing partner in their sacrificing ratio. I hope this thing clear. Understand? You understand this question? The only important part in this question is, I know you know the journal entries now. The important part is how we calculate goodwill. I already teach you how we calculate goodwill. In case you have any problem, please see that video where we calculate the goodwill part. We will write the calculation of goodwill by different methods. Okay, by super profit, by average profit, or by capitalization method. Okay, next we'll do next question, the next important part. Okay, this again. Next question is, okay, note down the question. X and Y are partners. X and Y are partners. A simple question, I think. X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Our question is clear. First one, X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, next part is, okay, Z is admitted as a partner for which he pays. Z is admitted as a partner. Z is admitted as a partner. Okay, Z is admitted as a partner, and for which he pays 30,000 for goodwill in cash. For which he pays rupees 30,000 as goodwill in cash. Goodwill in cash. It means, it simply say that he brings his share of goodwill in cash. We can say that he brings rupees 30,000. The new partner brings rupees 30,000 as share of goodwill in cash. Okay. So he pays rupees 30,000 goodwill in cash. Now X, Y and Z decided to share. X, Y and Z decide to share profits and losses equally. Now they say that we divide the profits and the new profit share ratio is equally. Okay, or if we say equal proportion, you are required to pass an entry. You are required to pass journal entries at the time of jet admission. Okay, the question is simple, but the important part here is the old ratio is given, the new ratio is given. So we can find the first thing, sacrificing, or we can also find out that if whether any old partner is gaining or whether any partner is gaining or not, because if any other old partner gains, he need to pay. उसको भी pay करना पड़ता है. We cannot pay to him. उसको firm को pay करना पड़ता है because he is a gaining partner. So we need to check first. The question says that X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Z is admitted. Okay, Z is admitted as a partner in which he pays rupees 30,000 as a goodwill. He paid rupees 30,000 as goodwill. Now the X, Y and Z decided to share future profits and losses equally. You require to pass a journal entry. Now for first thing, calculate. First thing is you need to calculate sacrificing and gaining. Okay. The first thing is calculate who is sacrificing, who is gaining. You know that there are two partners are there, X and Y. X and Y. Their old ratios. X old ratios is given the question is 3:1. Okay. The X old ratio is 3/4. Y old ratio is 1/4. And the new ratio is equal. So we old minus new, we get sacrificing. Now we check. It's 12 with the LCM. Okay, it's 9 minus 4. It's coming 5/12. X is sacrificing. Again the LCM is 12. Okay, we write here 3 minus 4 minus 1/12. It means Y is gaining. If you check the question, Y is gaining. I hope it's clear. So Y gains 1/12. X is sacrificing in 5/12. The first thing is clear. Now next thing is, I hope this part is clear. Now what is the first entry? If you say what will be the first entry, we have to write. Now listen carefully. If you have any problem, please listen carefully first. Cash account debit to PM for goodwill account. To premium for goodwill account. Now how much the goodwill is brought by new partner is 30,000. So 30,000 is a firm goodwill. Is it clear? The first sentence is clear. Cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. Now the next important part, because if you know that the goodwill, this premium for goodwill, we write premium for goodwill account debit, premium for goodwill account debit. This premium is distributed, ये किसमें बढ़ता है? Sacrificing partner में. Is it clear? But here the sacrificing partner is only one, and that is X. So we write PM account debit to X capital account. But here X in मुझे नहीं मंजूर है, because I am sacrificing, and in that case Y is gaining and Y is also gaining at my cost. भाई Y भी किसी कॉस्ट में गेन कर रहा है. When new partner Z is coming, he is coming because only X is sacrificing. So Z is coming at the cost of X, but in this case Y is gaining. तो Y किसकी कॉस्ट में गेन कर रहा है? Again at the cost of X. तो हमें पढ़ा था when any partner gains, he also pay. उसको भी गुडविल का शेयर पे करना पड़ता है. किसको? जिसकी कॉस्ट पे वो गेन कर रहा है. तो in this case Y is gaining at the cost of X. तो Y will also pay. We write Y's capital account debit. Now, so we write entry premium account debit, Y's capital account debit, PY to X capital account. Now here, the important portion is find the same. You know that the premium for goodwill is, first thing is premium for goodwill is given 30,000. Premium for goodwill is 30,000. Now you need to find how much is need to pay by Y और X को कितना मिलना चाहिए total. You know that X को 30,000 तो मिलेगा, but how much is paid by Y and how much X will get in total. We need to calculate first. First thing is, whenever this type of questions here, I told you before also, we need to calculate goodwill of the firm. Goodwill of the firm. Now how we calculate goodwill of the firm? हम कैसे निकालते हैं goodwill of the firm? We say PM for goodwill, premium for goodwill, we write premium for goodwill into reciprocal of new partner share. Reciprocal of new partner share. Reciprocal of new partner share. This is understand this. Now they say that मैं इसी क्वेश्चन फॉर्म को समझा रहा हूँ. This is the formula. Normally they write the formula like this thing. Goodwill of the firm is calculated premium for goodwill into reciprocal of the new partner share. Now, if you have anyone concept नहीं समझना तो please understand the concept. ये मैं पहले समझा चुका हूँ आपको. So listen carefully. Apart from formula, they say that Y share. Y is the new. Z is the new partner and Z share is 1/3. Z share is 1/3 in the firm. Okay. Let the firm goodwill. अगर हम firm की goodwill को X मान लें और X का 1/3 हमें मालूम है कितना आता है. She brings how much? अगर हम X मान लें तो X का कितना हो गया firm का? She brings 30,000. भाई पूरी firm की हमने goodwill को मान लिया X. नए पार्टनर का शेयर्स में 1/3 है. तो it means उसका शेयर कितना है? 30,000. It means the X is the whole firm goodwill is 90,000. रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया हमने इसका. ये हमें whole firm goodwill मिल गई. Now, how much Y is gaining in this case? तो Y is gaining, कितने शेयर पे गेन कर रहा था Y? 1/12. तो Y gains. तो Y gains कर रहा था 1/12. तो mean Y should pay 90,000 का 1/12. 90,000 का 1/12 he need to pay, which is coming 7,500. तो this means it's coming 7,500. तो मैं टोटल X को कितना मिलना चाहिए? is 37,500. और आप सिंपल 90,000 का how much X is sacrificing? X is 5/12. तो find the 5/12 is coming 37,500. चेक भी हो गया, हमने चेक भी कर लिया. 90,000 का 1/12 it's gained by Y gain कर रहा था तो it means he has to pay 1/12. The firm goodwill is 90,000. He should pay 1/12. Simply X is sacrificing. तो उसको 5/12 मिलना चाहिए. 90,000 का 5/12 is coming 37,500. आप टोटल करके देख लीजिए. It's correct. I hope the question is clear. You understand that? Sure. Okay, note down, please. Next, we move further. We finish 3 questions till now. Okay, we will practice one more question regarding this. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is a good question. When two partners are admitted together. When two partners are admitted together. I hope you know down this question. Okay, we'll take one more question. You understand the term? Questions, should I rub this? In the meantime, you can write the answer, write the question. A, B and C are partner. A, B and C are in partnership. There are three partners are there in partnership. Name A, B and C. The three partners A, B and C are in partnership. Okay. This is question number. A, B and C are in partnership. Are in partnership. The three partners A, B and C. Is it clear? So three partners are there. A, B and C are in partnership. Now this is the same type of question again which we practiced just now. But here the two partners admitted together. यहाँ पर क्या है? There are two partners admitted together. Now listen to the question carefully first. A, B and C are in partnership, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:4:1. Two new partners D and E are admitted. The profits are now to be shared in the ratio of 3:4:2:1. D is to pay rupees 90,000 for his share of goodwill, but E has insufficient cash to pay. E के पास पैसा नहीं है to pay his for his share of goodwill. Both the new partner introduce rupees 1,20,000 each as their capital. You are required to pass necessary journal entries. Now listen to the question carefully. There are two partners are there. A, B, C are old partners. D and E admitted into the firm. Now the question says that D is bringing 90,000 for his share of goodwill. D कितना goodwill आ रहा है? 90,000. But E has insufficient cash. E बोल रहा है यार मेरे पास कैश नहीं है पूरा. मैं goodwill को कैश पे नहीं ला पाऊंगा. Is that clear? Means the other partner will say then you have to pay through your current account. Okay. Now both the new partner introduce rupees 1,20,000 each as their capital. लेकिन दोनों partner rupees 1,20,000 capital लेके आ रहे हैं. They are bringing 1,20,000 as their capital. So D is bringing 90,000 as his share of goodwill, but E does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. Is that clear? Now next portion we need to find out. Next part is हमें सबसे पहले क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? Who is gaining? Who is sacrificing? So for this I need to rub this. Okay, note down the question perfectly. Okay, next question is. Now, first find the sacrificing ratio old minus new. You know that. Who is sacrificing? Who is gaining? Find the sacrificing ratio. Who is sacrificing? Who is gaining? So here four partners are. Old partners are A, B, and C. Their ratio is given the question 5:4:1. Their old ratio is given 5:4:1. Now A, B, C, D, and E. Their new ratio also given 3:4:2:1. Now find it. We need to find old minus new. We get sacrificing ratio. So A old ratio is 5/10, B old ratio is 4/10, and C old ratio is 1/10, minus A new ratio is 3/7, 9, 3/12, 4/12, and C is 2/12. Now calculate sacrifice ratio. A old ratio is 5/10, B old ratio is 4/10, and C old ratio is 1/10. New ratio is 3/12, 4/12, and 2/12. Now if you solve this thing, 120 will be the LCM. Okay, one is 30/120 is sacrifice. A is sacrificing. Okay, if you check again, the LCM is 120 is 10 multiplied by 12 is coming 8/120. He also sacrificing, and C is coming minus 8 by 120, it means C is gaining. C is gaining. I hope this portion is clear. Means in this case A and B are sacrificing, okay, and B is gaining. That means B को भी pay करना पड़ेगा. I hope this part is clear. Okay. Note down this one, how we calculate sacrificing ratio. Next portion is pass journal entries. You need to pass journal entries. We need to pass journal entries. The first thing is, now it's mentioned in the question, we write here cash account debit to those who are the new partner who brings the capital. Okay, it's mentioned here, the new partners are there, D and E. If we write here cash account debit to D's capital account, to A's capital account, and to premium for share of goodwill. To premium for share of goodwill. To premium for goodwill we write. Now premium for goodwill, D is bringing his share of goodwill in cash, which is 90,000. A and D and E both brings 1,20,000 as share of capital. Is clear? They both brings 1,20,000 as share of capital. D brings 90,000 for goodwill in cash. We write 2 premium for goodwill. Total is coming 240 plus 90, 3,30,000. Is it clear now? Now next important entry. The first entry being new partner share of being new partner brings share of capital and one partner brings share of goodwill in cash. Then we write premium for goodwill account debit. Premium for goodwill account debit new entry, because the PM is to distribute to sacrificing partner. Now one partner is here who could not bring his share of goodwill in cash. So right, he need to bring to his current account. तो E's current account debit E need to bring. E अपनी goodwill cash में नहीं लाया है, तो उसे current account के through लाना पड़ेगा. There one more partner who is gaining. If we check, we find that. So we write C's capital. C को pay करना पड़ेगा because he is gaining. So we write C capital account debit. Now who is the sacrificing partner? The sacrificing partner are given. They are A and B. So we write to A's capital account, to B's capital account. Now find out how much A and B will get. You know that the PM for goodwill is given the question 90,000. ये आपको मालूम है. Main part is find out how much E will bring, how much C will pay, and that to be distributing A and C in their sacrificing ratio. Now first find out. You know that. Can I rub this so that we can calculate here? Those who cannot able to understand it. Okay, the entry will pass like this. PM for goodwill account debit, E's current account debit. Why is that E's current account debit? E अपनी goodwill को cash पे लेके नहीं आया, तो उसको लाना पड़ेगा current account के through. C is gaining, C gain कर रहा है, and the gaining partner should need to pay because he is gaining at the cost of A and B, and A and B are sacrificing partner. So if you understand this thing, the new ratio is, if you see, 3:4:2:2:1 by A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Now, and you know that who is gaining? A, B are sacrificing. They are sacrificing 30 by 120. B is sacrificing 8 by 120. And C is gaining. If you see that, C is gaining 8 by 120. He is gaining. हमने निकाला था. They are sacrificing. They sacrifice. ये हमने कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं. Now how can you find PM for goodwill? PM for goodwill is given the question 90,000. ये तो given है question में. That's new partner D brings. How much E will pay? You know that. First, we need to find the whole firm goodwill. How can you find whole firm goodwill? Let understand this term. This is a part. How we have to find the goodwill of the firm. हमें goodwill of firm निकालनी है. Now what is the D share in that? If we see the D share, what is the D share in the firm? D share in the firm is 12 by 2 or 2 by 12. D share is 2 by 12. Okay, the whole firm goodwill is हम मान लिया X है. तो X का 2 by 12 is given 90,000. So what is X? X is 5,40,000. I hope you know the basic class 6 mathematics. X equal to 90,000 multiplied by 12 into divided by 2 is coming 5 lakh 40,000. The whole firm goodwill is 5 lakh 40,000. पूरी firm की goodwill कितनी आ रही है? 5 lakh 40,000. Now, what is the E share in that? E का share कितना है? If you see the E share is 1 by 12. E share is 1 by 12. E को कितना लाना पड़ेगा? तो E need to bring, if you say E need to bring 1 by 12 of 5 lakh 40,000, which is coming, if you divide 1 by 12, is coming 45,000. E need to bring 45,000 rupees. In the same way, how much C is gaining? C कितना gain कर रहा है? If you see, C is gained by, हमने निकाल था, C is gained by 2 by 12, oh sorry, 8 by 120, C is gaining by 8 by 120, so C will pay 8 by 120 of 5 lakh 40,000, 8 by 120 of 5 lakh 40,000, which is coming, C will pay 36,000 rupees. Divide this, add all this, divide between A and B, or how much A is sacrificing? If you say how much A is sacrificing, we find that A is sacrificing 30 by 120. Okay, find A, 5 lakh 40,000 into 30 by 120. A is sacrificing, and B is sacrificing 5 lakh 40,000 into 8 by 120. You get the answer. So A will get, if we calculate this thing, 30 by 120, A will get 1 lakh 35,000 and B will get 36,000. I hope 36,000. That's how we calculate. Now add all this, divide between A and B, you get the same thing. Or similarly, the whole firm goodwill is 5 lakh 40,000. How much A is sacrificing? A कितना sacrifice कर रहा है? 30 by 120. How much B is sacrificing? 8 by 20. So divide this 5 lakh 40,000 into 30 by 120, or 5 lakh B share is 5 lakh 40,000 into 1 by 20. You get exactly same like this. That's how we calculate. So this is an important portion. The important questions are there, which usually come for the board examination. I hope this thing is clear to you. Practice these type of questions again and again, so that you become well versed in that. In our next portion, we will do revaluation of in case of admission. Okay, to view again the important portion here, which is usually come for 6 to 8 marks, revaluation account, and what is the concept regarding revaluation and partners capital account, or how we prepare revaluation account at the time of admission of new partner. So till then guys, please take care, stay tuned, work hard, stay safe. Thank you.